someone to love me completely. Looking for someone to show me true love. And I'm searching for the kind of possibility. Someone to truly love me for me. Someone to come and be my true love. 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 Oh, hey. Seeing her achieving and make my head spin this way. I feel like jumping in a way. Cannot take it no more. Oh God, you see I'm looking for someone to satisfy me. Looking for someone to complete